Hi, my name is Chrisanne. I'm a paramedical esthetician with over 30 years experience in the skincare industry. I've worked in the cosmetic, medical, and spa industries. I was also a medical assistant for a dermatological surgeon that specialized in skin cancer. Today we're going to talk about acne. It's important to not let acne run its course. This can cause scarring, enlarged pores, and an increase in infection. Acne is treatable. Most people overuse acne treatments, creating dryness, a rough texture, and a red, itchy irritation. True cystic acne is genetic. Most people who are using acne products are really normal to oily. And when they use acne products all over their skin, it creates more problems. It's usually due to hormonal shifts, either when they're a teen, going through menopause, or starting and stopping birth control. Each one of these reasons creates its own unique circumstances and skin condition combinations, such as dry with breakout, sensitive and breaking out, or mature and breaking out. If you only address the breakout, you can create additional wrinkles and dryness. Also the rough, dry texture to the skin and a redness and irritation. It's important to see an esthetician so that you can be directed to the correct product for your particular skin type. Feel free to text or contact me through email on my website for more information and a free FaceTime consult. Let me help you get your glow.
You make